Today I'm going to show you how to use black wax. Here it is here. First of all, because I want a warehouse look, I've painted it quite smoothly. And now I'm going to use some clear wax first. And I will do the clear wax all over. I'm going to put it this way so you can see. So clear wax first. It's quite a lovely piece of furniture, I think. The wax makes it a little bit darker already. And then I take off the excess. Make certain that you cover this surface completely with clear wax. Don't leave anything bare, because that will affect how the black wax looks. I'm going to use the big brush because it makes it cover quickly. Make certain that you get every direction. The grain is all covered. How long you leave this now depends on how dark you want it. So I want it to be not too dark, I think. I'm going to start wiping the excess off now. Because what I'm now going to do is go back to taking off a little bit with clear wax. Because it's darker up there, I'm just going to wipe off a bit more. The clear wax is acting like an eraser and taking away the dark wax where I need it to be taken away. A good graphic look without it looking antique-y, that's what I like. I love the wax. You find all sorts of interesting characteristics about the piece of furniture. So here's my finished piece, quite warehousey, very dramatic, and I think looks really, really gorgeous. I love this piece of furniture.